Drunk and hello, birdies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 weeks, 2 pounds. Holy Christ, eh? Okay, on the edge. Make some room. 8. 1 more brown apple. How you keep rolling, you? Jesus. Too big or what? Get up. Get up. Oh, you're a mess. Come fix you up here in a minute. Still need a pound. What the fuck is this? Look up, bud. We got a broiler that's losing his legs.
Oh, it's too fat?
Yeah, I don't know. It's twice now I come in and he's laying on his back. I roll him over. Look at this guy. Like they've splayed. I'll go pick them up in a second here, but no good. They've grown into their coat, so get at you. They need water. I gave them their feet. Here you go, turkeys. Here's ma'am. I'm gonna lift this dirty guy up. Excuse me. You're fine. What's going on with you? What's wrong with your leg? Stop working? I don't know about him. Into there? Yeah. It just keeps rolling. Yeah, we're gonna set up a date. These guys are getting dense. don't know if it'll be any better in here, but there's food and there's water.
I can email them, let me know what day you want, and
Yeah. Don't know where one. Okay, settle down, settle down. Small ones are at 4 pounds, 2 ounces. So I mean, I guess those other ones are closer to 6 pounds, at least.
yeah, so cut you get how much? Get 2 pound bird?
I can't remember what the shrink is, but no, like another few weeks, fuck, they'll be done for sure. I'll see what the shrink is. I think we usually try and get them to about 8 pounds.
You get like a nice 5 pound bird.
Yeah. But the other thing is, if they finish some of them at 5, 6 pounds, we get a couple, well, you know, single family birds, you know, a 3 pounder or whatever.
Did you fed these guys?
I fed them. I didn't do the
I
hens in
didn't
there.
do anybody in there. I've just done water.
Just need the hens then. Do one. Isn't that the nastiest fucking job? Feeding that water?
The water, yeah. Yeah, it'd be nice when I get plumbing pumped into here.
Oh, I found another heat lamp in the old barn where the bees were. There's a proper lamp with a lights in there. Morning, birdies. You're still small. We have 2 hatchings in here, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like, I cannot understand why there's such big birds and such little birds. The big birds are looking really good. Really good. Sorry.
They eat, but they don't eat lots. When I check at night, there's still a lot of food, and in the morning there's like
It's
not
gone.
lots.
Yeah,
Well, there's still a little bit, but they don't eat till they
No, they don't eat
it's
till
all
they're.
gone. So I don't care if I give them too much one day, you know. 'Cause
Pardon?
if you give them too much one day, it's just leftovers for the next day.
Well, exactly. 4.
Cute, cute, cute.
Yeah. So yeah, if that guy can last, great. But I don't know if he will.
Yeah.
Like last night I came in, he was tits up as well. I was like, what the fuck is going on here? It's like his leg just splayed and
Yeah.
that was
I
it.
just got food and water in here, so.
Yeah, but
If you can.
yeah, he's still in his stomach. That's really all that matters.
Yeah.
Hi, girls. Excuse me. He's smiling, Georgie. Hi, Mama. Morning. There you go.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah, I cleaned it all up. Still got this to do, but I gotta get this shit out of here.
Oh.
But yeah, at least it's like, okay, you can breathe again.
Yeah.
The edge is clean. I'd like to finish filling this. The shit thing is it's actually high here and goes down, so I'll kind of need to either fill that higher than I'd like or try and cut this back with the box blade first. But I gotta open this and I gotta keep dogs away. It's not
an easy task.
it should be easier than it's gonna be, but
Is this on?
yeah. Morning. Little oinks. Okay there, piggy. Put more in her hole.
His mud hole. Her mud hole.
What a big girl, eh? Healthy looking girl now, though.
Yeah.
Not overfeeding.
Like you were probably giving her what, double what she needed when she was pregnant?
I don't know if it was double, but man, she scarfed every bit of it, you know?
Yeah.
I know she needs a little more.
Well, not that much.
Not that much, I guess. She got thick. Do you see in here how nice it is? With all the trim down. Excuse me. So refreshing to see. Oh,
Oh wow.
yeah. Oh, much
Plants
better.
are looking great.
Yeah, they really are. These we gotta stay on top of keeping them watered and whatnot, but
Yeah, that's a nuisance, eh?
yeah. Males.
Don't
Yeah,
even need
that's
them
good. Hey?
So we don't even need anything.
No, I just killed them, yeah.
Yeah.
Fed them to George. Yeah, it looks good. It'd be nice to rake all this green out, but it'll also decompose, but I don't know. There's feed. Everything took well, and the shit in the garden too, like, they, for not having grown peppers outside in, I don't even know how many years, don't hate it. The only thing is, like, you know, when we get those hail warnings and shit, it's like, well, fuck, but otherwise, they really like that soil. And once we add manure in here, this will make it even loomier, like, it'll break the compaction down of it, and it's good. It's good for this year. I'm not mad about it. Yeah. See anything?
No, I thought I did, but
They're so small and like translucent still, it's hard to tell.
I'm sure there's some in here.
Oh yeah. And like the difference is now is they have outside option. They might wander.